Namaste, I am Dr. Vijay Sasidhar, founder of Sri Krishna Ayurveda. I completed my graduation in Ayurveda from a medical university in India in 2003, and I went in search of the pure form of Ayurvedic knowledge because the knowledge I received from the university was always mixed up with Western medical knowledge. I searched across Kerala in various traditions and found two great masters, Brahmashri Valu Shankar Nambudiri and Vaidya P.M.S. Ravindranath. I learned and interned under them for years, and in 2005 I founded Sri Krishna Ayurveda Holistic Medical Center in Vaikam. Now we have service points in 4 continents of the globe, and we warmly welcome you to a unique healing experience organized by a beautiful team of healing souls across the globe in Sri Krishna Ayurveda Global Services. Namaste.